Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use clip frames effectively. Clip frames provide a modern, minimalist way to display your cherished items, giving them a floating appearance. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for everything from family photographs to important documents. You'll find them simple to assemble, making content swaps a breeze. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to get your display looking fantastic. Before assembling your clip frame, proper preparation is key. First, ensure your chosen artwork or photograph is clean and free of dust. Take a moment to measure your item. Most clip frames come in standard sizes like 8 by 10 inches or 11 by 14 inches. Next, gently wipe both sides of the frame's clear panel with a soft, lint-free cloth to prevent smudges. This ensures a pristine view of your display. Now, let's put it all together. Carefully place the cleaned clear panel directly over your prepared artwork, ensuring it's perfectly aligned with the backing board. Next, take the metal clips and attach them one by one around the edges of the frame. These clips hold everything securely in place. Make sure each of the 4 clips is firmly pressed down and evenly distributed for a stable and professional finish. With your clip frame assembled, it's time to display your masterpiece. Most clip frames include a hanger on the backing board for easy wall mounting. Select a spot on your wall that avoids direct sunlight to protect your artwork from fading over time. For maintenance, simply dust the frame and clear panel with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid using abrasive cleaners to keep the clear panel scratch-free and sparkling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.